Hello guys, welcome to VFX Therapy. Today I'm gonna show you how to create cracks using Amplify Shader Editor. First we need to create a crack texture and I've used Crater here. Then convert the PNG to SVG using a free online tool. I'll give the link below. Now import the SVG file to Blender, bring it back to the center and scale it up. Then convert it from a curve to a mesh. As you can see, there are a lot of polys, so we have to decimate it to save some performance. Add a decimate modifier, set the ratio to 0.074 and apply it. Go to edit mode, press 8 to select all the vertices and then press E to extrude it in the Z axis. Now we have to separate the top part of the crack mesh, which will act as a mask. To do so, turn on the X-ray mode, select all the top vertices, right click and then click on the split. Then we need to add two materials, one for the mask and one for the rest of the crack. Select the material properties, add one more material and assign it to the mask. Time for UV unwrapping. Split the screen, select the UV editor. Now select the UV sync option. Select all the polys, use orthographic side view and go to the UV menu. Click on the project view, adjust the vertices to cover up the UV space. Our crack model is ready to get exported to Unity. Select the project, check selected objects, mesh, change apply scaling to FBX unit scale, apply transform and hit the export button. Open Unity, drag and drop the crack mesh in the scene. We need two stencil shader, one for the mask and one for the wall or ground. Create a opaque Amplify shader for mask. Disable all the channels from color mask. Turn off the Z write mode. Enable the stencil module. Set the reference to 2, comparison to always, pass front to replace, hit the save button. Now mask shader is ready. Create the material from the mask shader and make sure to set the render cube to -1. Apply the stencil mask material to the crack mask. As you can see, it's not visible anymore, but that is fine. Now open the wall shader, just enable the stencil buffer, set the reference to 2, comparison to not equal and front pass to keep. Hit the save button and apply the material to the wall. And it's not working. We just need to flip the cull mode of the stencil mask shader. To do that, open it and set the cull mode to front and you can see it's working now. As you can see, crack mesh is visible from the back side of the wall. To hide it, we have to create shader for the crack. Let's create the shader quickly. Open the shader. Now go to the stencil module, turn on it, set comparison to equal, front pass to keep, and now we can add the gradient for depth and color. Use this basic setup and hit the save button. Create the material and apply it on the crack mesh. And crack mesh is not visible from the back anymore. Our crack is ready and it looks pretty good. Click the link down below to get all the projects. And if you like the video, consider subscribing to it and hit the like button. And see you in the next one.